G'day there YouTubers, welcome back to my channel, Workshop Fun. Today I'd just like to post a quick update on my Pickhill Bantom oil-filled welder. I've had this for a number of years now and I'm selling my big DC rectifier that I used to have it set up with. So what I've done now is I've actually got this more compact DC rectifier, which is still a very good little unit, and modified the welder to hold it. So I'll just quickly show you how I did it. I'm going to come around here. So you can see the original handles. There's one on each side, and then I bent these bars over and welded them to the handles, and then welded this little housing for the rectifier to basically plug into. It fits just by slight pressure, and then of course I painted it all the same colour. And I'll come around here and I cleaned everything out on the rectifier and cleaned up all the rubbers, bought new screws and made these plastic insulators, and then cleaned up the inside of the rectifier as well, like all the big alloy heat plates and the diodes. Cleaned all that up, fitted brand new leads, slightly bigger than the original ones. And yeah, it's all working brilliantly now. So excuse me, this here is 170 amp rated DC rectifier, and this is a 180 amp AC welder, but even though this is 100 amp AC, 180 amp AC, this will still not overpower this, because by the time your 180 amp goes into this and through the rectifier, it's not at the 100. It wouldn't be over the 170 amps. So basically the loss, like from making the AC to DC and then coming out, you do lose a little bit of amperage. So I would say this 180 amp welder, by the time you've put the 180 amps through the rectifier, you would probably be only outputting 160 amps DC. Yeah, so this little rectifier, which isn't that little actually, but the rectifier is more than enough for this welder. And this is my big old one. It's a 350 amp rated one. I got that on the internet now for sale though. So yeah, that's my little modification to my oil cooled welder. Some people wouldn't like it, but too bad for them. I'm not doing it to please others. I set this unit up for myself. Now that's basically all set up in a nice compact way, and now I can fit it underneath my big drill press stand, so that's brilliant. It's basically right out of the way now, the welder, so that's great. Now, excuse me, I'll just also show everybody another thing I've just recently got. I finally have a fly press. I've been after one of these for a long time. One came up and I finally got one, so it's great to have. Very, very handy for bending all your steel bars and everything. So yeah, you can do so much with these presses. It's great. So I'll just be selling this little wee press here as well. Okay, well, that's about all for now. Just wanted to quickly show you this little setup. Quite hard to fit in the camera, but also one thing I will say about this little rectifier that I got, I've never seen another one like it around. It's made in England, like the Welder, so that's good. I can't quite read the name, but yeah. Anyway, neat old thing. Really neat to have it, and it works lovely. So thank you very much for watching. Catches.